So good evening my dear friends. Our next topic, binary number system conversion. So calculate steps. So this is the binary number, each and every number separate to number of series 1 0 1 2 3 4. So first into to the power binary power is 4, then 3, then 2, then 1 and then 0, and base equal to convert the decimal. So we can calculate 16, 8, 4, 0 and 1. So we can 24 and 25 out of 10. So 24, 28 and 29 out of 10. So this is the conversion of binary to decimal. Now other base system to non-decimal system. Convert the original number to decimal numbers. Base 10. Convert the decimal numbers of 10 to the new base number. Example, octal number 2 5. So this is the base. We can just outdate it. So calculating the binary equivalent, convert to the decimal. Suppose 2 5 power 8. This is the octal number. So 0 and 1. So 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 8, 2 into 8 to the power 1, and 5 into 8 to the power 0, and that is the remainder is power is the decimal. So we can calculate the value. So 8 to the 16 and 0 1, so 5 का 5 रह जाएगा यहाँ पे. तो 21 out of 10. So this is the decimal value for octal to decimal conversion. So now convert to decimal to binary. Convert to decimal to binary. So first 21 is the value, and you can see that our number is 25 and 8, octal number and decimal number 21. So convert decimal to binary. तो decimal number कितना है 21. So 21 by 2 result 10, remainder 1. 10 2 result 5, remainder 0. 5 2 result 2, remainder 1. 2 2 result 1, remainder 0. 1 by 2 result 0 and remainder 1. We can write down reverse order 1 0 1 0 1 power. This is the binary number of decimal. Now octal number of 25 8 and binary number of this. So shortcut method, binary to octal. Step 1, divide the binary digit into groups of 3 starting from the right. Convert each group of 3 binary digit to 1 octal digit. Example, binary number 10101 power base 2 equivalent 1. This is the binary number, and we can divide octal number when we convert. So just we can divide the pair of 3 3. So one pair is 101 and another pair is 0 1 and 0 we can add. So 0 1 0, that means 2, and 101 means 5. So 0 1 1 0 1 00 and 101. So this is the number of calculating device. You can see numbers. I will tell you what is the how to write the binary calculations. So 2 power 5 and 8. So 8 is the common. Now 25 8. This is the octal number of this binary number. So now binary conversion, that and that. तो shortcut method octal to binary अब देखेंगे हम. Convert each octal digit to a 3-digit binary number. So and the octal digit may be treated as a decimal for the conversion. Combine all the resulting binary groups of 3 digit each into a single. This is the octal number of 25 base 8. Now we can calculate 25 base of 8 and convert the binary number. So this is the octal number, and convert the binary number. Okay, so when we calculate the number, so first we'll create the base everyone. Now this is the binary number we can convert. So first we can add decibel value. This is the decibel value. Either earlier we started. So convert in octal for 4 digit. So 2 we can write 0 1 2. This is the binary number of 2, and this is the binary number of 5. So this is the base 10 of that value. Either we can write down directly, not issue on binary number 2, and this is a 2. So to the 2525. So first we'll have to write 2, and 2 we can write through the binary 0 1 0 and 5 1 0 1. So remove 2 and 2, then you can see that we can combine those value. This is the 25 binary number. It is very simple to calculate binary values, numbers, etc. Just focus on the things. Now shortcut method, binary to hexadecimal. Divide the binary digits into groups of 4 starting from the right. Convert each group of 4 binary digit to 1 hexa decimal symbols. Example, binary numbers, suppose that is a binary number, and convert now hexa. So hexa is a 16 bit, so each pair will have to take the separate of 4 particles. Okay, so this is the number of 20. Which one? 101 is the number of binary number, octal number of 25. So we just calculate the value and divide the 4 group. This is the 3 first. So this is the first 4 letter. Okay, this is the first 4 letter. Now 1 and then all 3 0. Okay, so what should I do next time? The second step, when we reach, first step has been done. Okay, so now second step, it will be calculate. Second step, what is this told? Just follow the guideline. Convert each group of 4 binary digit to the 1 hexa symbol. Okay, so हेक्सा सिंबल्स के साथ हमें ये कन्वर्ट करना है. क्या करना है? कन्वर्ट करना है. तो दिस वैल्यू, हाउ मच डज इट कॉस्ट, यानी कि ये वैल्यू कौन सा नंबर का है आपको पता होना चाहिए. ओके, सो दिस इज द हेक्सा नंबर. सो हेक्सा बेस इज 16. So we can place 16, and this is the hexa place. Are you getting my point or not? 1 and 5. Okay, so I just convert the things. You can get, if you cannot get my point, then it is not yours. दिस इक्वल्स टू 1, यानी कि इस फर्स्ट 4 डिजिट का मतलब होता है 1 और इसका मतलब होता है 5. सो 1 और 5 15. तो बेस कितना हो गया? कॉमन. ओके, तो बेस कितना हो गया? इसका मतलब ये कितने की वैल्यू होगी? 15 की हो गई. क्लियर? सो हेक्साडेसिमल का ये जो नंबर, ये जो बाइनरी नंबर है वो हेक्सा में कितना हुआ? 15. 15 का मतलब F. ओके, सो नाउ हेक्साडेसिमल टू बाइनरी. Convert each hexa digit to a 4-digit binary number. Combine all the binary groups of 4 digit into a single binary. Example, 15 power of 16. This is the value of hexa. So this is the hexa value we can convert to binary. So how can we convert? It is simple. First we calculate all the value of this and this. Now, so just understand कि what is the binary number of 1 and 5. 15. 15 का बाइनरी नंबर कितना होता है? अभी हमने लिखा था 15 का बाइनरी नंबर. दिस इज द बाइनरी नंबर ऑफ 15. 10101. सो यहाँ पे भी देखिए हमने क्या लिखा हुआ है? 10 1 0 1। ओके, तो 5 का ये हो गया और 1 का बाइनरी नंबर कितना हो गया 0 0 1। सो हमारे पास दीज आर द बाइनरी नंबर, बट हमें हेक्सा को अगर ये कन्वर्ट करना है तो हेक्सा की डिजिट कितनी होती है 4। तो हम क्या कर देंगे, इस वैल्यू को 4 पेयर में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे। कितने में 4 में 1 5, दैट्स इट। ओके, so this will be converted. Now you can see that this is the binary number in hexa category. We are separate of the all value and calculate same to just join the value, and this is the hexadecimal value of the binary conversion in 8 digit. So are you getting my point? Now next is computer data and information. Data can be defined as a representation of facts, concept or instructions in a formalized manner which should be suitable for communications, interpretation or processing by human or electronic machines. Data is represented with the help of characters such as alphabet, digits and special character. So what is information? Information is organized or classified data which has some meaningful values for the receiver. Information is the process data on which decision and action are based. Action are based. So what is information? We earlier started कि information क्या होती है, जैसे organize हो, classified data हो, which has some meaningful values for the receiver. Information is the process data on which decision and action are based. For the decision to be a meaningful, the process data must qualify for the following characteristics. Timely information should be available when required. Accuracy, information should be accurate. Completeness, information should be complete. So this is the data processing cycle. You can see that this is the data processing cycle diagram. Now data processing is the restructuring and or reordering of data by people or machine to increase their usefulness and add values for a particular purpose. Data processing consists of the following basic steps: input, processing and output. These three steps constitute the data processing cycle: input, processing and output. Input is the step the input data is prepared in some convenient form for processing. The form will depend on the processing machines. For example, when electronic computers are used, the input data can be recorded on any one of the several types of input medium, such as magnetic disk, tapes and so on. Processing. In this step, the input data is changed to produce data is more useful. From example, paychecks can be calculated from the time cards, or a summary of sales for the month can be calculated from the sales order. Output. At this stage, the result of the processing step is collected. The particular form of the output data depend on the use of data. For example, output data may be a paycheck for the employees. Computer networking. Computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share information and resources. So characteristics of computer network: share resources from one computer to another, create file and store them in one computer, access those files from the other computers connected over the network, connect a printer, scanner or a fax machine to one computer within the network and let other computer of the network use the machines available over the network. Following is a list of hardware required to set up a computer network. Network cables, distribution, routers, internet networks, cards, external network cards, network cables. Network cables are used to connect computers. The most commonly used cable is category 5 cable, RJ45. This is the RJ45 connector. You can see that Now distributors, a computer can be connected to another one via a serial port, but if we need to connect many computers to produce a network, so this serial connections will not work. This is the port and hub. The solution is to use a central body to which other computers, printers, scanners can be connected, and this body will manage or distribute network traffic. Router. A router is a type of device which acts as the central point among computers and other devices that are a part of the network. It is equipped with halls called ports. A computer and other devices are connected to a router using network cables. Nowadays router come in the wireless mode, using which computer can be connected without any physical cable. So this is the wireless network. Now network card. Network card is a necessary component of a computer, without which a computer cannot be connected over a network. It is also known as a network adapter or a network interface card, NIC card. The most branded computer have a network card pre-installed. The network card are of two types: internal and external network cards. Internal network cards, motherboard has a slot for internal network card, where is to be inserted internal network card are of two types, in which the first type uses peripheral component interconnected PCI connection, while the second type uses industry standard architecture, ISA. Network cable are required to provide a network access. This is the network NIC card. And external network cards. External network cards are of two types: wireless and USB based. Wireless network cards needs to be inserted into the motherboard. However, no network cable is required to connect to the network. So universal bus, serial bus. USB card is easy to use and connects via USB port. Computers automatically detect a USB card and can install the driver required to support the USB network card automatically. So computer operating system. The operating system is a program with the following features. An operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the software and the computer hardware. It is an integrated set of specialized programs used to manage overall resources and operation of the computer. This is the operating system. It is specialized software that control and monitor the execution of all other programs that reside in the computers, including application programs and other system softwares. So you can see that user, now application, now operating system, then hardware. The objective of operating system. The objective of the operating system are to make the computer system convenient to use in an efficient manner, to hide the details of the hardware resources from the user, to provide users a convenient interface to use the computer system, to act as an intermediary between the hardware and its users, making it easier for the users to access use the other resources, to manage the resources of a computer system, to keep track of who is using which resources, granting resources requests and mediating conflicting requests from different programs and users, to provide efficient and fair sharing of resources among user and programs. Now characteristics of operating system. Here it is a list of some most prominent characteristic features of OS. Memory management, keep track of the primary memory. Process management, allocate the processor CPU to process and deallocate the process when it is no longer required. Device management, keep track of all the devices. This is also called input output controller. The device which process get the device when and for how much time. File management, allocate and deallocate the resources and decide who gets the resources. Security, prevent unauthorized access to programs and data by means of password and other similar techniques. Job accounting, keep track of time and resources used by various jobs and so users. Control our system performance, records delay between the requests for a service and from the systems. Interaction with the operators. Interaction may take place via the console of the computer in the form of instructions. The operating system acknowledges the same, does the corresponding action and inform the operation by a display screen. error detecting aids, production of dumps, traces error message, and other debugging and error detecting methods is doing by operating system. Coordination between other software and user, coordination and assignment of compilers, interpreters, assemblers, and other software to the various user of computer system. So computer, internet, and intranet, will study on next topic. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.